If you're ready to grill but you don't have a chimney starter and you definitely don't want that taste of lighter fluid in your food, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to light charcoal without a chimney starter and get your coals running hot using two things that you already have in your kitchen pantry. Once this is lit, I'm going to show you a two-zone secret that I use that'll make sure that you'll never ever serve a dry burger or burnt steak again. So all you need is oil, paper, a lighter, and of course charcoal. There are two kinds of charcoal that I use. You can use charcoal briquettes or you can use lamp charcoal. Either one will work. First thing you do is open your bottom vents wide open, because fire is an engine and it needs oxygen to breathe. So if the vents are closed, your fire will die even before it starts. I like using paper from the charcoal bag itself because it's heavy duty and it's free. Drizzle it with oil and we're looking for a soak. We're not looking for a baptism. Pile your charcoal in a kind of tight form and don't be afraid to use the half-burnt charcoals from your last cook. The oil acts as a slow burning fuse, and what it'll do is it will keep the paper burning long enough to actually ignite the charcoal. When you do this, you'll start seeing smoke, then fire, and then in about 10 minutes you'll see beautiful gray ash, and that's gonna be a green light to cook. Okay, here's how you move from a pro meat burner to a grill master. We're gonna be using something called a two-zone setup. So push all these coals on one side like I'm doing, and now what you have is a hot zone to sear your meat and a cool zone for cooking and finishing the meat without burning the outside. And here's a pro tip. When you close the lid, just make sure that the top vent is over the cool side. This pretty much forces the heat to travel across your food like a convection oven. Do this and use your meat thermometer, and trust me, your food will come out flavorful and perfectly cooked every time. If you like this video and if it saved your cookout, hit that like button, share it, and subscribe. And now that you've got that fire burning, click here to see the first thing you should cook with it. I'll see you over there.